This is a 2009 Lexus ES350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and many other features. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a premium Lexus audio system, interior wood trim accents, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, rear impact crumple zones, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 23,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.